push it too much.
It's all bent up.
Yeah, because it's like warped.
Oh. It's been in there for 30 years. Okay. All right, good.
So, yeah, I would just...
We're gonna need to work.
Hold on.
Got it. Okay.
Beautiful.
That's the headliner now. Oh, that's just fiberboard. Okay.
So that operates. Let's take the Airhorn out first.
Yeah, I don't think this needs to come out.
All right, let's take the Airhorn out first.
I'm stuck in here. Unrelated. The airline connections look good.
Yeah, so if you spin...
I'm working on it.
Do you want some
Nope,
WD-40
she's
or
almost
something?
free. Okay. All right, there you go. Here's the gasket. All right, you're out. Good. Oh, I could sit up in here. Okay. All right, we got her, Sean.
Okay, gasket's in there. Okay, you ready? We're at about 98 psi.
Okay, so it probably needs some
adjustment.
This would be great if we were at like Barnegat Light. This sounds perfect.
Bernie, we got it. Yes! That sounds so good! Oh!
Okay, you have neighbors.
And it's 10. Oh, it's 10:30 on a Saturday.
Let her eat.
Give it a couple. Alright, so we're back. It's a much nicer day out. Got the headliner out. Got the Airhorn back in. She built air. Oh. Oh man. Give me one or two, you know. Oh. Perfect. Perfect.